Well, welcome to the U Dizzy Show. Today is welding day at Jeff's. I'm going to take the front end and this frame, and I'm going to have him weld this, the top, and these two spots here for me. So they're all welded with a gas welder and not, you know, my cheap thing. So that's today's plan. I'm going to take this down. I got the front end right here ready to go. I cut it, lined it up and stuff. Got the bolts straight and everything. So now I'll take it over there and he can weld it. He may have to put a little piece of rod in there because that's a little big gap right there. But we'll see what he does, the pussy. Oh, beg my pardon.
Hey, buddy. Hi. Hello, cutie pie. And oh, hello, cute. You had a birdie?
We gotta fill it, and then we're gonna go back over it, basically. Whenever you have like a large gap like that.
You're the professional. That's why I brought it here. To Jeff's professional welding shop. Customs at its best.
Customs at shitty man's garage.
No, at its best. Are you kidding? What do you mean? You Dizzy don't just let anybody weld this shit.
It's been a while.
It's alright. Well, I'll get you back into practice. Then I'll bring more shit over. Beg my pardon.
Bring the Model A frame.
Yeah, the Model A frame.
The whole motherfucker too. Let me tell you something. My brother's the fucking man, dude.
Yeah, he is.
Shout out to Dave on YouTube.
Shout out to Dave on YouTube. The weld man. He's the king. But now he's got the kid, and he's countryman out there.
Oh, you seen him on Facebook?
Yeah. He's countryman out there. He was doing the father-daughter dance. I love that with my daughters,
He's a good dad.
That's so awesome. Yeah. Aww. He's helping. And Tina's helping. Look, Tina's in the shop with us. For myself right now. Yeah, great. We're doing good here.
Alright, so
looking nice. Look at that fucking weld. There's a little
It's
penetration there. It's okay. It's some penetration. You can see that penetration.
That's definitely penetrated, bro.
Right?
That's like how you get on.
If that was a girl, she would be screaming right now. She'd be like, "Oh, I'm penetrated."
Oh yeah, I'm so penetrated. Did you measure this?
No. I think I measured the pipe. I'm not sure.
Well, we're gonna check it.
I think it was when I put it in, but did it move? I don't know. I'll tell you that.
Can you just hold it right there?
Oh, hold it?
Watch out.
You want my help? Fuck.
Jeez, really?
Oh, cigarettes. How'd the blind guy do?
It's a little lower on this side.
Yeah, but if you look at this is round and this one isn't round.
Oh, pushed it out maybe.
Well, that was.
Did you weld this on?
No, this was the bottom piece down
Yeah.
there, and they slammed it together, and I just worked with what I had.
All right, we'll check it a couple different ways then.
Yeah. Oh, you want me to? Sorry.
Done. Is that it?
Tina perked her head right up when you said that.
No,
Done.
dog's too freaking cute.
Well, you can't keep it.
No matter what the
That
bag
one right
goes.
there is a little thick right there, but fucking it's underneath. Do you want to hit that real quick? A couple more?
Whatever you say.
Good nani. I'm gonna go right back to sleep.
No, I need it.
Oh shit.
Can't fucking see.
Sorry, dude. You just took my knee out. I can give you my eye.
No, I'm just trying to fucking pop it so it fucking bridges it.
So now, I got all this stuff welded. I gotta go home and clean it up and stuff, but he welded that on there nice straight. Got the frame in there. We'll be off for it to go back to the shop. Thanks, Jeff. Well, alright, here we are. I cleaned up the welds a little bit just to get the rust off. He hit it 4 places here. Then the 2 ends are here. And he hit the ends here. All around this. The top. All around the top of it. We slammed this down and did that as well. Welded this in here. And now this is going to get cut out and ground down, and I'm going to put the spring seat on this. And let's see, this too. It's all cleaned up. You know, I'll probably do a little Bondo work around it just to make it look beautiful, but it's solid as a motherfucker. Way better than I could have welded it. Way better than I could have welded it. He's a professional. Friggin' right. Working on the trike. Well, sorry about that. Hope you enjoyed that. A little welding on the trike. Some cleaning up. And it's a little goofery. So, it's another video by you, Dizzy 1969. Comment, like, subscribe. Check out the links below. And have a good one. Peace.